In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a Payhip store. We'll go through the process from the dashboard all the way to publishing your product, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. First, open Payhip and go to your dashboard. This is your main control area where you manage your store, products, and settings. If you're already signed in, you should land here automatically. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the area where all of your existing items are listed and where you can create a new one. On the products page, click Add Product. Payhip gives you different product types, so the next thing you'll do is select Digital Product. This option is the right choice if you're selling downloadable items like ebooks, templates, guides, music, software files, or other digital content. After that, you'll be taken to the product creation page. Start by entering the title for your product. Choose a title that clearly tells customers what they're buying. A good product title should be straightforward, easy to understand, and specific enough to stand out in your store. Next, enter the price. Decide how much you want to charge for the product and type it into the pricing field. When choosing a price, make sure it matches the value of what you're offering and fits the audience you're targeting. Now, upload a product image. This image is important because it's often the first thing shoppers notice when browsing your store. Use a clean, high-quality visual that represents the product well and makes the listing look professional. Once the image is in place, add a description for your product. This is where you explain what the product is, what's included, and why someone should buy it. Keep your description clear and informative so customers know exactly what they'll receive. It also helps to make the wording easy to scan, especially if you want buyers to quickly understand the value of your product. When everything looks good, click Add Product. This will create the listing and add it to your Payhip store. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Payhip store. If you're uploading multiple items, you can repeat the same process for each one to build out your storefront. Take a moment before publishing to double check your title, price, image, and description, because a polished listing can make a big difference in how professional your store looks.